What we've got next really has my eye, because I've had my dishwasher for absolutely ages and it's not particularly good in my house. So we were talking about this earlier on. I said, what makes this one at £949 different from all the others? Do you know what the first thing is? Free delivery to UK mainland. Now, there are only 20 of these in stock and no backup planned right now on the system. So get yours now and then listen to the demonstration. You pay a third up front to get it at home, get it installed, make your mind up about it completely. If you're not completely happy, we get it from you before even the second instalment happens, and you have not paid that initial £50. Right now, that's the offer. So take advantage, get 803-058, brand new today on QVC. Where do we begin?
Well, firstly, I want to show you this, which is really good. If I could just show you one of the main benefits of this machine, and I'm just going to put the demo thing on.
Got a little demo mode going
now,
on there.
I'm going to press this button here, but normally this would happen automatically. When your machine has finished its cycle, the door will automatically open.
We didn't see that. Do it again.
Do it again, no problem.
Us. It opened, but you didn't really see it.
Let's do that again for you.
So at the end of a cycle, where normally you'd open your dishwasher and it completely wafts steam all over you because everything's still inside there and takes forever to dry, this opens itself up.
This opens itself up. So you're not going to have that condensation problem with all your plates still being wet. So that's number one thing. The other thing, you've got an A++ rated on this machine, which is absolutely fantastic. A+++.
Is that the top?
That's the top.
Wow.
So you've got a top rating. But the other benefits that I absolutely love is not only is it going to save you money from your traditional machine, not only have you got a system that makes sure that you have the plates that are completely dry and not the condensation.
Yeah, let's just make that clear. It doesn't just open the door for you.
Yeah.
The reason why it opens the door at the end of a cycle is to
make sure you don't have the condensation problems, to make sure your plates are dry.
Are dry, see? That's why.
Absolutely. And you have this with this. But the good thing is, that I love about it as well, it's going to save you more money. If you have cheap rate electricity at night, you can actually set it to have a time start. So you can delay it to start at whatever time you like, midnight, 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning. And because it's so quiet as well, you're not going to have a problem with the noise that you have with a traditional machine.
My producer Jeff has just perked his ears up. He says his electricity is cheaper at night as well. There
absolutely.
There's a lot of people in that same boat. What else?
Now, if we open it up, then you'll find, firstly, it's a 16-place setting machine.
Oh, that's big. Big room. Big. Look at that, all for the pans and pots.
The other thing is, look at this. If you were to, for example, do this with a traditional machine, you'd have a stick. That would literally stick and jar. But with the Miele, it's really easy. Now, the reason for that is because the little trolley here is so easy to move around. It's like little bearings on side there. I won't do that because it'll run across the studio. So it's very easy to operate.
While we're there, show us the unique things about this basket.
You can adjust the basket to whatever setting you want. So you can have, for example, cups, or you have bowls here.
Or a big bowl that won't fit anywhere else.
Absolutely. If you've got lots of saucers, you can actually put those up, and then you've got storage space there. If you've got wine glasses, oops-a-daisy, that's down like that, and that's down like that.
Just a little yellow catch.
Anything yellow in the machine means that it's for use. Okay. Now, the other thing is, if you've got wine glasses and you don't want to sort of have them from the top, you can hang them from these things here, but also they store away as well.
Good.
So you can do that. Now, the other great thing I love about it is, if you've got, for example, a dish and you want to adjust the height of your secondary dish, your secondary tray, you can do that as well, and you can actually angle it so the machine's working at an angle. So if you've got a bowl with a lip in the top, you can make sure the water drains out, which is a fantastic feature. And again, the handles are yellow, so you can adopt them. The other good thing I love about this machine is, instead of having let's say a bar, and a rose, which a lot of them have, this has 3 spinning bars.
Good.
So you have a good clean all the way through.
Lots of people buying this already. I know you're waiting to see a lot more about it, but you can always change your mind later. But I told you there's only a finite amount of stock, and quite a lot of it's already gone. So get yours now. You can always ring back and change your mind, but you can't if it's gone completely and someone else got in before you. This is what I love.
This is great, isn't it? This is called the 3D tray. Now, one of the reasons I love this is if you've got your traditional basket, you're losing a lot of space down here that could use for crockery.
Yeah.
This takes up hardly any space at all, and it's what they call a 3D tray. So you can actually adjust it down. So if let's say you've got a whisk, you can adjust this.
I'm in love with this machine. I love this machine.
So you can put your whisk in there and literally close it up with no problem. But the thing I actually love...
Ladle. Potato masher.
Look at the way these are all laid out.
Look.
Okay.
Can you see close? I don't know how closely we can get on here. Can we get in close on here? Just to humour me for just a sec. My daughter, when she stays, is going to be having kittens over this because she moans at me the way I load the dishwasher.
Everybody does that, don't they?
But this is a anal person's dream who loves to have their machine done properly.
Yep.
This is it.
Absolutely.
It's like you can't go wrong with this.
And also, instead of having to pick out the knives and forks from your cutlery tray, you pick them up in a group and you put them straight in there.
Yes.
See, it's really, really easy. Pick them up in a group and you put them in there.
Tell me about the different cycles.
Now, the different cycles, you can just go to here. Oh, firstly, another thing, I've got to show you this. The salt actually goes in the door, so you don't have to pull the tray out to put the salt in. Your salt goes into here, and literally it's really simple. Open up like that, and it pours into the little sort of.
And when do you use salt on a machine?
Basically, I used to put salt in all the time, really, to be honest, to make sure you protect the machine. Absolutely. And also, you've got your rinse aid there as well, and all the main settings in there. Now, and that's for your tablets as well. Now, closing the door, you'll actually see. Let's just go back. I'll turn it off and go back onto its normal operation.
Little clock on there as well.
So, I'm going to just press OK to get rid of that and to get rid of that. OK, so at the moment you've got an eco setting. You've got a sensor wash setting. Now, sensor wash, we actually have, Miele, washed a cake.
Hang on a minute.
Do you know?
You didn't miss here.
Don't you wash your cakes?
Watch this.
Look at this, look. So, here we go. So what I'm actually going to do here, in the bottom tray, I'm going to pop in, as you do, a birthday cake.
This is crazy.
Run with this,
People at home
going,
what is this man doing? Come and look at this man on the telly, quick.
At the top of here, there's some glass, just to show you, because normally if you've got something dirty underneath the dishwasher, if you clean it, then you find the dirt everywhere. Now, the Miele has a sensor wash, so it senses the water as it basically leaves the machine. So it takes about 3 hours to sort of eat this cake away, but you'll actually see what the machine will do is clean the cake into nothing.
So if you put it on sensor wash, it keeps going until everything's gone.
Absolutely.
All the bits, anything dissolvable, not bits of plants that are really hard, but anything dissolvable, it will keep going till it's completely not only gone, but bits of it are not on what you've washed inside the machine.
Absolutely. I mean, as I say, the sensor wash, it will sense it all through the wash, and if you've got something that's really dirty in there, it'll make sure it's clean. And the glass at the top, look, no residue.
Really clean.
Because it's got that extra bar at the top to circulate the water around. How many times have you been... Oh, my mum does this. She'll actually wash the things before they go in the dishwasher.
Yeah, rinsed it out.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
You don't need to.
We're in the bottom, though, and we did say, by the way, if you missed it, that was 3 hours to wash away basically food residue, but at the really nth degree. So, like, if you can wash a whole cake away by dissolving it, an iced cake, which sounds just ridiculous. The reason is to demonstrate that any food that's left on there, it will cope with and dissolve and keep going until it's all completely clean. There's another reason for getting this. If your machine is lacking, get this dishwasher and see what difference it can make to your life. If you guys argue about the dishwasher, if you argue about that, it might even be you get a new one like this, you don't even argue about who wants to fill it and load it and unload it because you love doing it. Get in touch and get yours and just pay the third with free delivery. What happens with delivery? Delivery, basically, the machine comes from Abingdon and they'll come in sort of two-man team to come and install the machine. They'll come and install see where you've got the machine's got to go. Any old machine that needs to be taken away, they'll take that away for you as well. And it really is a really nice experience because they'll show you how to use the machine as well. Yeah, that's the thing. You know, because they want to make sure that you're happy with it before they leave. So if you've got a really, really big amount of money to spend on someone for Mother's Day, or they've said to you, put towards it, but I want a new dishwasher, how about this one? How about sharing those second and third instalments? Maybe there's a massive anniversary for a couple. Possibly it's for you, for your own watershed birthday or watershed anniversary, if you love having clean dishes, if you love the idea of having this in your home, just live with it for 30 days with your tryout period with zero to pay to get it delivered, to get it installed as this special launch offer, because it is brand new today on QVC. So if you've loved what you've heard, get in touch and get yours. Couple of final
Deb, the one thing I want to talk about is glassware, because a lot of people don't put their glasses into the dishwasher because sometimes it'll turn out like this. You'll have scratch marks, and also you have discoloration to the glass as well.
You can see that there, yeah.
So you have that kind of problem. This actually has a sensor wash that is delicate to glassware, so you're not going to have the kind of damage that you have with a standard dishwasher.
15 remaining, and that is it. Just final question for you.
Yeah.
Undo it for me again. If there are bits down the bottom, how easy is that all to clean out?
That's really easy. All you do...
Because that slides out so easily.
That slides out so easily.
Yeah.
And you just literally just turn this like so. That pops out with all the filters in one. So it's not lots of filters you have to take out, clean it, and then pop it back in
It's like
again.
a little bayonet fitting.
Yeah, absolutely.
And that means maybe you're more likely to do it yourself. You're not going to mind doing it so much because, to be honest with you, if you're on your own now and that used to be somebody else's job but now it's yours, you don't have to worry about getting someone else in to do it. You might want to do it yourself, and that again is another reason why this machine is going to make a difference in your daily life if washing up is the big thing in your house. 16 place setting.
Yep, 16 place setting.
Adjustable sizes.
Adjustable sizes.
Fit big devices, gadgets inside it, as in, you know, like massive griddles that can go in a dishwasher.
It has a great setting as well. You can actually put it on a hot wash setting. So if you've got something, for example, like, you know, really burnt on dirt in a pan or a pot, stick it on the hot wash and it'll actually deal with that as well, using the sensor wash,
Fantastic. That is your brand new dishwasher from Miele, and it's 803058. If you've got yours, if you've gone for it, would you tell me why? Tell me which bit of that demonstration impressed you the most. I'd love to know. I'd love to find out. Tweet to me at Debbie Flint. I don't think we've had that many texts as it stands right now. 80782 if you'd like to text us. It's only a normal text cost. It's not a premium rate. It's just from your tariff. So if your phone is handy, if it's near you, 80782, tell us what you like about it and why you've bought it. 803058, that's your item number. Go for it now whilst it's free P&P, because it won't always be.